Okay, fine. So, at last program was with the enumeration, and in our previous lab we have discussed about mini project definitions and all, right? Many of you have not yet responded. Fine, you are having sufficient time till Friday. But before Friday, please submit your mini project definition. After that, I'll not accept any of the definition. Okay. So today what we are going to do is, now already we know what is functions and all, right? We have already started. So our very first program with the functions, that what you need to do is to swap the two values using call by value and call by reference. So at the time of the theory also we have seen the example of swapping of two numbers only, right? So you know already this task, and you have to combine that thing into a one program. Fine. So what you used to do is, what you need to do is, you have to swap two numbers. Fine. One with the call by value and the another one with the call by reference. So you will take two different functions, right? And you will do the same task. I hope the definition is clear to you and you already know what you need to do is, right? Anyone is having any doubt in the definition, then let me know. Otherwise, start doing your work. Call by value and call by reference. And here in call by reference, you will not use pointer and the reference. Instead of that, only reference, right? Done? Everyone clear? Either say yes or say no. Definition is clear to you. What you need to do is, you have to swap two variables, right? You have to make two functions, one with call by value and one with call by reference. In call by value, your actual value will not be altered, मतलब swapping नहीं होगा, right? If you will just come outside of your function and you will check, so at that time swapping is not yet done, right? So that is your call by value. And if you want to do that with the call by value, you have to write that cout statement inside the function only. Then the swapping is done and that thing can be seen on your screen, right? And the second one is call by reference. So at that time you don't have to write over there, I mean inside the function, outside of the function also, because your actual value has been altered, because you did call by reference. And this topic we already finished in our theory with the same example, so I hope you don't have any doubt now. Do you have any doubt? Please answer, because you are not answering even yes or no. So this session is also recorded, fine. And I'm asking you the question that you
No
are
doubt,
having any
ma'am.
doubt in the definition. Okay, sure. One person is replying, so others are also not having any doubt. And then randomly after 10 minutes, I'll ask anybody to share their screen. That is for sure. Okay? Okay. Rajkumar is saying no doubt. Fine. So just start doing your program, and if for the reference you need anything, then just let me know. Otherwise, just start doing your work. Okay? Bye. Okay. I hope you are doing your program. Giving you more 5 minutes. Fine. After that, I'll do the program. No problem. Right? If you are not able to perform it, but at least try it by your own. At least
मैम
try.
कॉल बाय रेफरेंस एक
Okay.
बार आप एक्सप्लेन
And
करना,
for
कॉल
your
बाय वैल्यू हो रहा है।
right. So we'll be having that slide, right? I'll show you that only for your reference. This is call by value, right? Where we were doing the swapping, and this is the call by reference. So I know this thing is clear to you. I'm just putting this for your reference. And I'm giving you 5 minutes. Then if anyone is having any doubt, then I'll explain. Okay? I hope you have done your program. Done both. Great. Fine, Shubh. Done. Okay. Fine. Done. Okay. One more important note. In Google Classroom, whosoever has not yet joined, please join it. I'll upload or I'll create one assignment today where you need to upload program number 1 to 8. Right? You already did it, right? Program number 1 to 8. I'm searching for that, you know, programming format. I mean, one Word file I'll share with you. And in that format only, you need to write all your 8 programs. Fine. And you need to upload PDF file only. Getting this? Fine. And your evaluation will be based on, I already said that whatsoever the programs that you are doing actively during this 2 hours lab, that will be considered in the marks, right? I am again repeating this thing fourth or fifth time, that whatsoever the marks you will get, that is not based on your only program, how much you are actively responding during the lab session, how many programs you have actually done, how many I mean, whenever I'm asking for the sharing of the code, or whenever I'm asking that, you need to share your screen. So at that time, I will be believe that okay, now you are doing this program by your own only, fine. But many of the times, many of the people are like that who are not actually participating actively. So this is for them. Okay, so the marks will be totally based on that. Otherwise, every person will be having the same program. Then also I'm giving the marks in variation. So this is the justification that how I'm giving the marks. Getting my point? Fine? Because many of you are not, in that mood to give the answers, either yes or no. So it's perfectly fine for me. Okay, but you will do this actively, right? So I'm having your previous lab sessions chat also, right? Many of you are not even writing that done or ma'am, did the program or not. I'm asking many of the times that you have done. If you are having any doubt, I'm writing the program for you, but you guys are not responding. So for that, you will be having the less marks. That is for sure because you are not doing your programs. That is why. Fine. So I hope now you will be active. Hmm? Thanks. Good. So only done will not be the sufficient one. Fine. Whosoever has written done, I'll ask them to share their screen and they will be able to share their screen within a minute. It would be not like that you will WhatsApp your friend and yeah, please send me the program. Madam has asked me to share their screen. And then you will wait for 5 minutes and you will make an excuse like a network issue is there. Why you have joined the Google Meet means you don't have any network issue. Then while only you are having a network issue to share your screen, why you are facing the problem only at the time when I'm telling you to share the screen? So that excuse will not be considered over here. Okay. So hopefully you will do your program by your own. Whosoever is doing by their own, they don't have to worry. Fine. I know your coding is very good and you are doing your programs regularly. I know them. Fine. But जो नहीं कर रहे ये उनके लिए है. Fine. So everybody has done their task, right? Almost. And I'll be having this chat in my records, right? For each and every sessions, I'm having this. Fine. What about the others? They are doing the programs or not? Because I've given you sufficient time. And this program we have already seen. Yeah? You just need to control V. And for the reference, you just need to add that ampersand sign. And it won't take more than 5 minutes. Then also, I've already given you 20 minutes. Fine. Then also, if somebody wants some more time, then at least let me know. Right? So let me know if I need to give more time or what I need to do is. Anyone? Viraj? Then whosoever has not replied done. Harshad, Dev Zaveri, Chirag. Okay, done. Fine. Dev Zaveri, where are you? Fine. So should I write this program or it would be fine? Everyone have performed, so should I write it? We'll already be having that call by value and call by reference, right? So this call by value, I'll simply copy, okay? Here I'll simply copy it. Control S, p.cpp. This would be my temporary file. Okay. So what we did over here is, yes, anyone is right something? Yeah, it's fine, but then also I'm getting the reply from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 only. Still, 4 are the missing one. Darshan, have you done with your program? Dale Zaveri, done with your program? So I'll simply just show you what it is. So this is your call by value, that what we have seen, right? If I'll run this program, right? It will show me the swapped value, that is 20 and 10, only and only when I'm writing this thing inside the function. If I'm not writing this thing inside the function, so at that time, what it will do, after this swap and all, after this swap and all, it will not show me that 20 and 10. Instead of that, it will show me my actual value only, right? That was the problem. Yes or no? So here A is now and B is now 20 and 10, and after swap again it is 10 and 20 only, right? Because my actual value has not been altered. So what I'll do in call by reference, what I'm doing is simply just copy this function, right? Only one change, that is the ampersand sign will be there. Otherwise, the calling will also remain same, right? So here what you can do is you can give the another name like swap by value and swap by reference instead of swap, because we are combining this, right? We are combining this program. So here I can write swap reference. Okay, that is the function name. And here I can say that swap. Okay, this would be my functions. Here I'm having this ampersand sign, right? So that will show me that it is the reference. Otherwise, you just need to copy and paste this function. simply copy and paste this. Same, right? But here only the changes about the ampersand. That's it. Otherwise, everything will be same. So here I'll call swap value, that is A and B. So after swap, they will show you that there is no change into the value, and the same I'll do for the reference. So here instead of swap value, I'll call swap reference with this value only A and B, and after swapping you can see the change in value, right? So I hope there is no error. Then also let's check. Okay. So have you seen this? A is now 20 and 10. So this is your call by value. But when I'm showing the same thing outside of your actual function swap value, there is no change because it is called by value. But when I'm doing this with the call by reference, I'm actually getting this 20 and 10. Done? So that two things you just need to combine into one program. That's what I've given you the task. I hope this thing is clear now. Clear? Program is clear to you? Fine? Okay. Fine. Yes, yes, fine. Okay. So here is the thing that write a function, another program called zero smaller. Right? The function name they have given, that is zero smaller. That is passed to integer argument by reference. Okay, you need to pass two arguments into this function, but it is by reference, and then set the smaller value of among these two numbers, that is 0, and simply call this function. Getting the things, what I need to do is I'll show you that in Notepad. Say suppose you have passed two values 5 and 10, fine, into the function, but this variables, I mean this you will take from the user only, right? But the meaning is what, say suppose user have entered A and B, that is 5 and 10, right? So what I need to do, whichsoever the smaller number among these two, fine, that variable will be 0. That variable's value will be 0 now. Okay, getting my point? What I need to do is, yes or no, anyone can unmute
Yes, ma'am.
because
Yes,
otherwise
ma'am.
the chat would be loaded. Fine, getting? Okay,
No,
करना क्या
ma'am.
है? One, you are taking 1 0.
No, ma'am.
Sorry, yes, Rahul. Okay, zero smaller function, you have passed two arguments, but that is by reference. So now you have to think what you need to add over here, right? And whatsoever the data type that you are taking, in that what you need to do is whichsoever the smaller function, I mean smaller value, that will be become equals to 0. That's a very small program, and you have to implement this with the call by reference, but don't use that pointer wali things, huh? Because that pointers are even the complicated than this. This is so simpler. You just have to write m% into your actual function formal parameters, and that's it, the work will be done. Otherwise calling will also be so simple instead of the pointer. You can even implement this program with the pointer, but I personally suggest that don't use the pointer. Okay, fine. So I hope the thing is clear to you, and start performing it. If you are not able to do, I'll do this for you. I hope you have done your program. Mhm. Okay. So, Palak, Shivanand, Priyansh, Nancy.
Hello.
Fine. Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
actually,
Kanchan.
I have made my program, and I just want to, verify the logic, like the what exact program we had to make. So can you please just explain what was the function of that zero smaller?
Yeah, yeah, fine. Fine, fine. I'll write that program. Don't worry. Fine. I'm just giving 5 minutes more to let the other complete their program. After that, I'll write the program. Fine. No worries.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
शायद इसलिए क्योंकि मैम कुछ बोल नहीं रही
Actually, I
हैं।
have not started to speak anything.
ओके ओके,
Yeah.
क्योंकि आप वो
Yes,
टैब चेंज
Shivanand.
कर रहे थे तो मुझे लगा
Correct.
कि
Fine. No, no. I was no. I was just copying that hash include and using namespace. That's it. I'm still waiting for 1 2 minutes. I was just preparing. Now I hope almost everyone have formed this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 10% said that yes, done. What about the rest of the others? Bhavya, Dev Zaveri. Dev, you are doing any programs or not? Dev Zaveri, just unmute and answer me. Then Harshad, are you doing your program? Hello. Am I audible to you guys? Dev, Harshad. Yeah. So you are doing the program or not? You haven't said yes. Done. What about the Dev Zaveri? Fine, I'll write the program. Okay. So here, what should be the argument? Because we are just comparing two numbers, right? Mean, so we are taking as an integer one, right? And here you will pass reference instead of the only variable, right? So instead of writing integer ij, here I'm passing reference. Okay. Now what I'll do over here, I'll simply check the values. If I is less than j, fine, then what I need to do is I need to do I is equals to 0 because the smaller value is which one? I, right? J is the greater one. That is why. Else if I'll check with j is less than I, right? So what I need to do? J is equals to 0. Fine. And else, because it's maybe possible that you are giving both the values equal, right? Like 5 and 5. So at that time, value wouldn't be replaced, but instead of that, they are just saying that you have entered same value. Okay, that message I'll print. Getting this thing? Fine. Okay, so this is what actually my function is, right? And here, because of this reference, the actual value will be now 0 from your calling, whatsoever you are taking. So say suppose over here you have taken integer a comma b, fine. Now I'm asking from user to enter two values, enter value of a and b, fine. Okay. And then I'm taking these two values a and b. Now what I'll do is I'll simply call this function, and I need to call this function directly like this. Why? Because my function is not throwing anything, means it's not returning me anything. So I'll simply call that function 0 smaller, and I'll pass this a and b. Fine, this is just like my normal function call. So here in C++, call by reference is so easy. Otherwise, if you have used over here pointer, so at that time everywhere you have to use it like this. And this is so, complex thing. Right? Instead of that, by putting only m% in our formal parameters, I can use it as like my normal variable, and I can call that function as my normal function. Then it's great, no? Then also, if anyone wants to use pointers and the reference both together, our typical method of C language, then also they can use. I really don't mind. Right? But this is the C++ style, call by reference. Fine. So that we will use. And here, once this both the values, whatsoever the user have entered, fine, either it's 5 and 10 and whatsoever. But after this function, I just need to check my two values, right? So a and b, after swap, I'll print it. After execution of the function, or you can say after 0 smaller values of a and b, a is, here I'll put a, right, a, then and b is,
Ma'am, your voice is too low.
fine. Yeah, fine. Now,
No, it's fine.
So here I've just printed that. Yeah. So after this function, whatsoever the value of a and b that I need to check, right? Because the smaller value I've just made it as 0. Fine. So I'll check it out. Here enter the value of a and b, say suppose 5 and 10. So after the 0, smaller value of a is now 0 and b is 10. Done. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If you will give the
Ma'am,
both the values same, like 5 and 5, so it will simply tell me that you have entered the same value, and after that function execution even we will get our original value of a and b, that is 5 and 5, because nothing has happened or nothing has been, I mean no value has been altered or manipulated, right? So it will show me my original value of a and b. That's it. So this was what we have to do in the program. I hope now Tanzil is having a clear idea. Yes, Tanzil,
Yes.
what logic you have applied?
I actually missed the else if statement in the while declaring the function.
Okay, fine. So that was only the soul of the, I mean, our program, that you have to just make 0 to the minimum value, right? Fine. Yeah, Harshad, you are seeing that network issue. But if you are able to stay in this Google Meet, means your network is the perfect one,
Ma'am,
right?
can you show the
So
code
at
once
least
more?
reply. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. That's all.
Okay. Yes, Harshad, what was the problem? Harshad, the way. Tell me. Harshad, are you there? Devsbury, are you there? Or you have just started the session and you will come directly at 2 o'clock for the attendance? Many of the times in between I asked you something, you are not even unmuting yourself. No, you are writing anything into the chat, right? Dev Zaveri. And Harshad, what is the issue with your network? Just let me know. Network issue could be there, but at least you are doing your programs. Hopefully. Fine. If you are not doing, please do it. Okay. And you have to upload this all the programs on the Google Classroom. Fine. Evaluation will be done over there. Fine. So 1 to 8, I'll write the instruction over there. So don't worry. But I'm giving you the physical instruction that you have to make a Word document first. Fine. You are pasting your programs into it with the output. Right. If the output will be missed, I'll cut the marks. Right. With the output, and then you will convert it into PDF, and then PDF will be uploaded on Google Classroom. I'll write the instruction and then I'll do the evaluation. Okay. So because 1 to 8 programs, they were the mixture of unit 1 and 2, right? And after this, I mean, the ninth program that what we have done today, that is all about the functions. So once we will finish all the functions program, at that time I'll again create the assignment, and at that time you will upload it. I hope I'm clear to you. Okay, so you don't have to upload a single program. Instead of that, a group of programs, and you will convert it, right? And I mean, you will write into the Word, then you will convert in PDF, and then you will upload. Fine. Okay. The next is this. The next program is to evaluate the following investment equation. Here you are having V is equals to P into 1 plus R N. Okay, so N could be your number of years, so that will be multiplication in that. R would be your rate, means you know what is PRN, right? P would be your principal amount, R would be your rate of interest, ROI, and N would be the number of years. Fine. But here you will print this thing in form of tables. So I hope now you are doing the things that what you need to use if you want to show your outputs in a good manner in table form. What you need to use? Can anyone tell me? What we need to use for doing formatting an output? No one?
So we can use slash T.
Sorry? Yeah, Rajkumar is saying something. Set. The W is the missing one, but fine. The answer is the correct one. Rajkumar is saying set W. Fine. So that set W, that what we have used as that manipulator. Why set wise? ये क्या लिख रहे हो आप लोग? Set W. Why set wise? ये क्या है? So that's set W, right? That manipulator, that what you will use, and I have shown you around 3 to 4 programs of this set W, and I mean that manipulators, right? So you know what is set W. It will I mean set the field, or you can say your column length. Fine. So it will just look like a table form, right? And I have shown you that program of that basic and all, if you remember. I'll again show you the same one. Fine. Do you remember this? Basic, allowance, and total. So that would be there in a form of, you can say, column wise in good manner, right? Basic, allowance, and total. Only 3 things that what we were printing. Fine. So I want the output which will look like this. Getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you will use that set W manipulator into this. Again, back to the definition first. What we need to do is, okay. So here you can clearly see that you will be having a table of P where you are having total 10 values, right? 10 values, like first is 1000, second time it is 2000, third time it is 3000. So whatsoever would be your principal amount, and if your rate of interest is, it will starts from 0.11. There is a mistake over here in printing, right? So 0.11 to 0.20, right? So total 10 values, and number of years would be 1 to 10. So you will be having your total would be like this. Okay, so that will print. I hope you are getting the things. I mean, whatsoever the value of V, this final value of V, that will be printed, right? So in table kind of form, how I want the output, for that I'll show you something. Word file. Right, I can directly show you the output only. Right. I want the output in this form. I want the output in this kind of tabular form. ये सारा formatting नहीं करोगे तो चलेगा, but this looks good. That is why I've done it. Fine. Getting my point? Yes or no? Are you getting
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
P would be 1000, rate of interest would be 0.11, year 1, so your V would be 1110. If you will put 1000 on this interest rate for 1 year, then your amount will be this. This is what we mean to say. Done? Second time 2000.12 for 2 years, amount will be this. This way you have to show till 10,000. 0.2 means 0.20 would be the interest rate for 10 years. It will be this. So this is what my desired output, my expected output that I'm showing you. So can you try it by your own? What you will do for this 1000, 2000, 3000 and so on? What would be the logic? First time you will
For I is equal to 1000.
initialize the value. Yeah.
मैम एक फॉर लूप कंसिडर कर देंगे और
Okay.
इसको मैम 10 टाइम्स मतलब फॉर लूप को रन करेंगे तो जब तक
1000
Yes.
से 10,000 तक.
10 हाँ यस मैम 1000 to
Yes,
10,000
Shivan. No, 1000 to 10,000, that is not the point. Instead of that, you can do something like that. Wherever your value of P is there, you will just add 1000 into it, but your for loop will be from 1 to 10 only. So you
मैम वो
don't
भी कर
have
सकते हैं
to
यस मैम
change your years, right? Directly year ka for loop laga do. I mean, n is equals to 1 to 10, and you'll change the value of P and R. So that looks good. I mean, we used to do with such kind of things. We are not taking the for loop from 1000 to 10,000. Otherwise, it will run how many times? Or you can, yeah, fine. You will do that I is equals to I plus 1000, but it doesn't looks good. I mean, fine, you can apply your any of the logic, right? You can apply. जिन्होंने जो भी suggestion दिया है, they can implement that kind of thing. I just want the expected output. That's it. Fine. जैसे भी करो program, जैसे भी करो. Okay. Output is such kind of thing. Desired is this. Now implement by it your own. A simple mathematical equation, right? So we are having three variables and the fourth one for the calculation, right? P, R, N and V. So we are printing it. That's it. And here we are just incrementing by 0.01. Okay, this is incrementing 0.01. This we are incrementing by 1 and this we are incrementing by 1000. This is what the logic. That's it. Fine. So I'm giving you some time. Fine. 50 minutes. And after that, randomly I'll ask anybody to share their screen for all these three programs. Right? Not for one, all three. Okay. Darshan, are you there? Darshan, are you there? Dev Zaveri, again I'm asking to you. Harshad, I'm asking to you. So these three people will surely share their screen. Fine. After finishing this program. program is done. Viraj is saying done. Anyone else? This is our last program, fine. So take your time. I'm not in hurry, right? But finish it properly. I'm giving you another 10 minutes to finish it. After that, if you are not able to do it, I'll write it for you. Okay? But first, just try it out by your own. What about others? Done your program? Should I write it for you?
Oh no, ma'am. Just 1 minute, ma'am.
Fine, okay, just take your time, right? Fine. Raj, Shubh, Vishnu, Raj, Dev, Bhavya, and Priyansh. Chirag. Done. Fine. Shivanand. Done. So you are getting exactly what the desired output is, or somehow changed. Exactly the same. Okay. Fine. What you are writing inside this W? Okay, Tanzil. So what you are writing inside this W? Yeah, fine. Out values of V are seen. That is okay, but just formatting kind of thing. That what I'm asking for the formatted version. Otherwise, I mean, simplest program it is, right? But just for the format, I want to know. So if you will use it, then only you will get to know this thing. Okay, where to use this ZW and how, right? Otherwise, there would be no meaning of this manipulator if you are not giving attention or if you are not paying attention to your format of the output, right? Set W of 10 or 15 will be fine. Yeah, yeah, fine. Fine then. I'll just write it down if somebody is having any problems format or something like that. Or I have used over here, I mean, here the class, fine. But if without class you want me to write this program, then I'll write it. No worries. Just need to change it somehow. Let me first save this program. Okay. So yeah, this was 10 I think. US dollar. This what I want is fine. So here what I'm having is rest of the rules I'll just copy. Okay. Then we'll be having directly integer main over here, right? And write it down inside it. Fine. So here IO stream is required, and I'll use the power function for this equation, right? This power function over here, because this is actually I just forgot to tell you. Sorry about it. Uh, P into 1 power raised to n. Okay, this is P into 1 plus r raised to n is this. So for that, I just need to use the power function. Okay, this is not into n. Instead of that, you just need to check the power function. Okay, so but many of you have said that you are getting the correct output for the V. So I hope that you have used that raised to n. I think yes or no. Anyone can unmute and answer, please. Ow.
I'm sorry, ma'am. What did you ask?
Because you have used I ask you that you have used that P into 1 plus R raised to n. Right? It is not multiplication with n, but it is raised to n. Right? So you are getting the same output that what I was showing to you. I hope.
Ma'am, actually
Right?
the correct formula is P and the bracket 1 plus R and whole raised to N.
So in short, 1 plus r raised to n is there. Fine. P is the separate one. I mean, P into,
Yes, ma'am.
then
Ma'am,
you
P
are
into, yes,
just
ma'am, 1 plus
doing
R
that
and 1
1
plus R
plus
raised
r.
to N.
Yeah. 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 Yes. Correct. Correct. Right. So you are getting the perfect output.
Yes, ma'am.
Tutorial 11.cpp that I'll do over here. Okay. Save it and replace it. Fine. So one I'll be having this tutorial 11 and one I'll be having with the class. Fine. So I'm not using that now. Okay. So for that power function, that what I was telling you, for that I need CMath library, right? And for the SATW, I require IO manip, right? And this using namespace standard, that what we are using. Okay. After that, because here we don't have to take any value from the user, right? We already said to be that we need the table from for this principal amount, that is from 1000 to 10,000. For the years, that would be 1 to 10, and you will be having that rate of interest from 0.11 to 0.20, right? 20, I mean. So nothing to take it from the user. So we'll directly do that formatting kind of task and all. Okay. So here I'll take, this is the optional one, right? I'm just taking this hash sign. Okay. And I'll use over here handle for the new line. Fine. And then I'll start using setW. And over here, what I've shown you the output, in that I've taken setW of 15. Okay. So I'll use the same setW of 15. Then I'll show you that P. Okay. Then again setW of 15. Then again I'll be having R. If you have used 10 over here, then everywhere you can use 10. Fine. I have used over here 15, so I'm using 15 everywhere. Okay. That is small p, small r. That will be just printed on your screen. That's it. You can use anything over here. Start W of 15 again, and I'll show N over here. Again, I'll set set W of 15, and then finally I'll be having that V. Okay, and at last I'll be having ending. And you already know SATW will use by default right justification. Fine, so it's fine for me. Now again I'll be having the C out only, so that will match, right? The same number of times that hash. Okay. Now I'll use my 4 over here. In that I'll use directly n is equals to 1, because I'll take directly for the number of years, right? So n is equals to 1, then n is less than or equals to 10, and plus plus. Fine. So each and every time I'm just taking that year will be incremented. So now what I want to do is, for the very first time even, I want v is equals to p into power of, here I'll take 1 plus r, right, and raised to n. Fine. We are knowing this function POW. So if it is just simply, I'll show you that x raised to n, right? X raised to n. Then how you used to write it? Over here you will simply write x, then comma, and then n. Okay. If it is to 2, then you have to write over here 2. Getting this thing, how the power function will work. But here I want 1 plus r raised to n, right? So in argument I'll write 1 plus r, then comma, and then in second argument I'll write 1. Okay, so that I did. Now I just want to print that thing again in the cout, right? Once it will be calculated, and after that I'll increment the value in this for the principal amount as well as for the rate, right? So in the cout, I'm writing again because I've taken over here set W of 15, so I must include that 15 over here, right? So it will be in well-defined format. Otherwise, you can even take over here 5, but your output will not looks good, right? So for that only, I'm taking it as a 15. Okay. Then what I'll print over here, P. Then again set W of 15. I'm just copying it, right? I'll just copy this set W of 15. Control C, Control V, and again what I'll print, R. After that Control V, set W of 15. Again what I'll print, N. Again set W this, and finally my variable V, and enter. Done. I hope this thing is very clear to you guys, and I'm totally audible to you, right? Okay. Then after this line, what I need to do is I need to increment principal my principal amount with the 1000, so that I want to increment. What I need to write, P is equals to P plus 1000, and with the shortened operators, right, I'll write like this, P plus is equals to 1000, right? Same way for R, what I need to write, R plus equals to 0.01. Okay, and this for loop will be ended. Again, for n equals to 2, this will be incremented, right? And again this for loop will be started. We will calculate V over here in this for loop. Again this cout will be printed. Again this P, again this R. Getting my point? After this, again I just want to show this. This is optional, totally optional. If you'll write, it's fine. If you'll not, then also it's fine. Right? This is what I wanted to do in my program. So I hope the program is clear to you. Let's run this program. Clear? Yes or no? This is what
Yes,
I'm getting my output. The program what I was having, that was with the class and objects and all, right? I'm closing this, and this is what I'm having, this program, and I'm getting that desired output. Okay. Fine. This is the optional one, but I'm using one cout, fine, and I'll use for the second one also, for the third one also. So just copy this first one, right? So you will get the exact one. Otherwise, there would be a mismatch. Control 10 is modified outside of the ID. To reload. No. Fine. Okay. So here have that replacement here. Let me control R is and I'll be having this set W of 15 that will be replaced with set W of 5 maybe. So you will get to know the difference. Right? Replace. Okay. Here I've replaced this set W of 15 with set W of 5. Okay. And when I'll run this program, you can clearly see the difference. Am I clear to you guys? Am I clear to you? Yes, Tanzil. Now you are getting the
Yes,
exit
ma'am.
output. Fine. Fine. So when I'm doing this, set W of 5 instead of set W of 15, so at that time you are getting such kind of output, right? So this is nothing but set W is just setting your column width, right? And that is why we are doing this. So instead of this 5, I'll be having this set W of 5 with the 15, right? Okay. So what I'm doing, set W of 5, I've written it, right? Set W of 50. Fine. So 5 will be replaced with the 15 everywhere. Fine. And I'll again run this program. So this will be in clear format. You can even use a /t, that what suggested by whom? I think Rahil, right? Yeah. /t. So that even you can use. Fine, but where we are having our C++ features of set W, so we prefer that. Otherwise, one program can done with many different ways, but these programs are designed in that way where you have that features. Like our 13th program will be particularly very inline, so we'll use inline for that. This program, this is given to you in this table format, particularly designed for the set W only, so that you can use your set W feature over here. Okay, but still you can use /t over there. I really don't mind. Okay. So now I hope you have done. Rahil, you are asking about n plus is equals to 1. Is it necessary? But there in our program, we have already taken in our loop that will do this n plus plus. So explicitly, I don't have to write n is equals to n plus 1, right? Otherwise, it will do n is equals to n plus 2 actually, right? This n is equals to n plus 1 for the year. This will be done automatically because I have taken in my loop that year n. If I have taken another variable over here like integer n is equals to 1, sorry, I is equals to 1, and then I is less than or equals to 10 and I plus plus, this is some another variable. So at that time it is required to write n is equals to n plus 1 over here. Fine, because all these three need to increment by some value, n by 1, r by 0.01 and p by 1000. Fine, but what I did is to eliminate to take another variable. Instead of that, I'm directly using n over here, right? So no need to do it explicitly, of course. Right, so this line is eliminated. Done. I hope I have cleared your doubt, Rahil? Okay, yeah, fine.
Yeah.
Sorry. Fine. Anyone? Yeah, okay, Rahil, yes. Anyone else who is having any doubts, so I'll solve it. No one? And anybody who wants to discuss their mini project definition with me, so we are having 15 minutes. So we can do that. So I have to check that mini project. A batch, right? Harshad was remain with the definition. Priyansh, Shyam, Viraj. Okay. Dev Zaveri.
हेलो
I mean, he also.
हेलो
And yeah.
मैम
Yes, Viraj.
मैंने लास्ट वीक ही बोला
Yes,
था मेरा
Viraj, you're
टिकटॉक तो
audible.
है
But then which OOP principles will be used in that?
मैम
Because
बेसिक ही
you
जैसे कि
have to
मैट्रिक्स है
use OOP principles, that is for sure. So that is not OOP principles, dears. I'm talking about OOP principles.
मैम लाइक जैसे कि
And
हमें
that OOP
क्लास यूज
principles
करना
means
पड़ेगा
you are using abstraction, class, object. Yeah, obviously class and object will be there and file handling will be there. So in
ओके मैम
वो तो
tic-tac-toe,
मैम आप
इफ
I
अभी
don't
सिखाने
think
वाले
so
हो
you
ना
will
अभी
use your file.
नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम से या फिर ऐसे कर
इफ वी विल यूज
Sorry,
क्लास
Shubh,
देन
what you are telling me?
मैम वो तो आप आपने
Just
बोला था फर्स्ट
one.
टेक प्रोग्राम्स के बाद आप सिखाने वाले हो ओओपी
Dear, I'm talking about mini project and you are on some other boat, I think. Shubh.
नो I'm just asking that
What you are
आप
talking
कब
about?
सिखाओगे मतलब कुछ है
Yeah, class and object. So that is our fourth unit. So of course fourth unit आएगा तभी सिखाऊंगी dear. Right? And already I taught you that how to write a program with the class and object. Right? Already on a very first lab. Right? I taught you how to write a class and object. And the rest of things that will be there in our fourth unit only, and we are right now on the third unit in our theory. So I hope I can make you understand about the class and object in fourth unit only. I don't have any other options, and if you are having options, then you can suggest me.
एंड मैम इफ वी यूज क्लास concept then is it object oriented
Yeah, of
obviously
course,
by the way
but at least you have to use except as class and object. Fine. Wherever you will be having a class, you have to use the object. So fine, class and object will be there together. So I'm not saying that,
okay
but which
ma'am.
other OOP principles you will use, or what functional it is, what we are having already in C++ that you will use, because each and every person, I mean, except this gaming and all, others will use file handling in their mini project. So what you will use instead of that?
Ma'am, I will use class concept.
Because you have something in your mind. Yeah, dear, that we have
Okay.
already discussed, except that उसके अलावा
उसके अलावा तो मैम अभी तक कुछ पता
बाकी
ही नहीं है
सारे
कि क्या
लोग
पढ़ा
फाइल
है
हैंडलिंग यूज करेंगे. तो आपको पता ही नहीं है तो आपने कैसे ये टिक टिक टू सजेस्ट किया? बाय नेट ओनली.
नो मैम नॉट बाय नेट
क्योंकि वो उसका लॉजिक आपको इंटरनेट पे मिल जाएगा. तो वो तो बहुत ही हार्ड है बनाना. इससे तो अच्छा आप कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट ले लो, वो उससे इजी है. क्योंकि आप खुद जब आप अपना कोडिंग दिखाओगे, राइट, at the time of your mini project submission, or we will be having that mid evaluation. Fine, it wouldn't be like that कि last में आपने अपना पूरा project दिखा दिया. No, you have to show me one by one कि आपने कितना किया है. Okay, so for that आप अपना आधा लॉजिक भी दिखाओगे तो सही, आप कुछ तो इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे टिक टिक टो में, राइट?
मैम
क्या करोगे?
वैसे बन गया है, बस अब
कैसे
क्लास का
बनाओगे? वो तो
कंसेप्ट
बहुत ही
उसमें डालना
कॉम्प्लेक्स है।
बाकी है, तो वो बाद में।
बन गया है
हाँ मैम।
Ma'am, even I also completed my project.
यार, बन गया है वो, अब कैसे बनाया है? Yeah, Shivanand, you have discussed your definition with me, so I can, understand your thing. But I'm asking to Viraj right now that how you have implemented. Can you share your program without that class object?
Yeah ma'am.
Will you be able to explain me each and
Yeah
every
ma'am.
line of the code?
Yeah.
You will be able, na?
Yeah.
Fine. Then if you will select this tic-tac-toe, then I also, I don't have any problem. Fine. But I'll give you the marks according to how you are using the C++ functionalities into it. Fine.
Okay ma'am.
Fine.
If you say, then I will
Would it
include
be
class
okay,
concept in
Viraj?
it. Okay ma'am.
That you have to, but in except that as an object, what you are using as a C++
Then
features that I want to know,
except
Viraj.
that I will use inheritance concept in it, or
You have to think. Yeah, fine. Inheritance अगर आप include कर सकते हो, then it's well and good for me. Then it's fine.
okay ma'am.
Okay, fine. What about the others? Shyam, Shyam is there in this meet? Maybe not. Shyam is not there. Fine. Priyansh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Priyansh is there. Priyansh Gandhi, yeah. Tell me about
I
your mini project definition.
yes, I
You
decided
decided.
about project on a doctor appointment. Yes, I who has taken, ma'am? I don't know.
Fine. In hospital information system, that person will include.
No, about appointment seat is available or not about that. About slots are remaining or not for the appointment, available slots, summary by hours, booked or available, like that.
So you will be having all the information regarding the doctors. You will be having the timings of the doctors, and then the user will enter their
Yes.
preferable slot, and then you will check that that doctor is available with that time
Yes.
or not, or something
Yes.
like that. I think. Fine, we will discuss more functionalities about it. Fine. Right now, I'm just running into this appointment, right? Priyansh, just write it down into the chat that what I need to write the heading of mini project, because a lot many background noise is there and I'm not able to listen. So just write it down into the chat quickly. Then, Harshad, what you have decided, and Bhavya.
Yeah, ma'am. Hello, no Brahman. Hello.
Harshad is there. Yes, Bhavya, you can mute 1 minute. Harshad is there. Harshad, have you decided your project definition? So you can unmute and answer me at least, Harshad. Yeah, because we cannot discuss this thing into the chat, right? So you have to unmute so we can discuss, right? Fine, you just take your time, 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll talk to Bhavya. Yes, Bhavya. नो हर्षद, नेटवर्क इश्यू है तो आप अनम्यूट नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता. गूगल मीट वाले सुनेंगे तो सुसाइड कर लेंगे भाई. डोंट टेल मी लाइक दैट. यू हैव नेटवर्क इश्यू सो यू कैन नॉट अनम्यूट. चैट में नहीं बता सकते. फाइन, सो आई एम स्ट्रिक्टली सेइंग दैट नो. Bhavya, you can discuss with me. Bhavya Patel.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You can discuss your definition with me.
Supermarket, ma'am.
Yeah.
Supermarket.
What you have decided?
सुपरमार्केट में
अरे
मैम
यार
कब हो
सुपरमार्केट
सकता है ऐसे?
3-4 महीने लेके रखा है, कितना करोगे?
तो मेरे को क्या
क्या?
पता मैम, मैं तो ये सुपरमार्केट में
मैंने
नहीं हो सकता
प्रीवियसली बता दिया है आपको, क्या पता नहीं, आप प्रीवियसली थे ही, और वो टाइम पे मैंने
हाँ
आपको ये वाला डॉक्यूमेंट भी दिखाया था, रिकॉर्डिंग दिखाऊं?
हाँ, बट मैम मैं
हाँ,
ये
आई ऑलरेडी
बट
शोड
ये
यू दिस। हाँ, बट तू ये मत बोलो कि मुझे नहीं पता था, दैट
अब
वर्ड से मुझे प्रॉब्लम
तो
है।
ऐसे ऐसे नहीं बता रहा
या
हूँ मैं। बेच ए में किसी ने सुपरमार्केट नहीं लिया है मैम, देखो।
तो ये बिलिंग सिस्टम है, वो किसी का भी बिलिंग सिस्टम ही है, या तो वो सुपरमार्केट का है, या वो किसी शॉप का है, या किसी का भी है, वो वही है। आई मीन, so what you will do something new in that, so that definition is already taken by 2 or 3 people, so I'll not allow you now, please. And we have already discussed this thing, and in that I mean, that discussion, you were there when I was telling Rahil also to convince, I was convincing him to take some other definitions, right? So at that time, you were present there, right, Bhavya? So that is not the excuse. You can select any other definition still, fine. Yes, Harshad, can you unmute and reply me?
यस मैम। स्टूडेंट
Harshad,
रिपोर्ट कार्ड।
will you discuss?
हेलो मैम।
That is also there. Yes, Bhavya, I told you that that thing is also been taken by somebody else, that student record management, that is taken by your group member only, Chirag, and you were there in that discussion, right? So again, I mean, I'm not talking about any other batch, but in your batch only, then also you are giving me the same definitions, then this is not the thing, right? Okay. Priyansh is saying doctor appointment. Fine. Done? Priyansh. Now, Harshad and Bhavya, will you reply? Because I don't have much time. Only 3 minutes are there.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Harshad. Yes, Harshad. Tell me your definition.
Yes, ma'am. My project is telephonic directory. Hello, ma'am.
Telephonic directory is already there in our. Yes, Harshad, you are perfectly audible, and what I'm saying is just listen to it. This
Yes,
telephone
ma'am.
directory or whatsoever that you are saying, that is part of our program. Here it is. Write a program which will store the name and mobile number into your phone book, and it will perform such many tasks. This is what we will do in our experiment list, so that you cannot take it as your mini project, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Choose any other definition. Yeah. And you can discuss it, or you can directly choose it by your own, and I'm already showing you this many definitions are been assigned, and then also if you want to choose it, then there will be the competition between you four, fine, and the code should be different than any other previous versions which is available on net, and where I'll find a copy, fine, I'll check the plagiarism, so you don't have to worry about it, fine. That is applicable to all, fine. I'll check the plagiarism. If your code is matched with my code, means I'm already having lot many codes, right? And if it is matched, then there would be a problem with the marks. Okay, I won't give you the marks. Then if you want to choose, you can. I really don't know. Arshad, you
हेलो
are,
मैम। हेलो।
I mean, why this background is having lot many music and all. So this is not your music class, I think, Harshad. You can understand this thing. Harshad, you just mute yourself and you just listen your music. You haven't shown me any of the program, I think, right? Dev Zaveri too, and I won't mark your attendance, Dev, if you are not showing me any program. Dev Zaveri.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Fine.
हेलो
Yes,
हेलो
Bhavya.
मैम मैम मैं आपको गूगल फॉर्म में वो सबमिट
Yes, Bhavya.
हाँ तो मैम मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि वो
Yeah, fine. You
गू-
can, yeah, you can submit onto the Google, that Google link, right? Google Forms.
यस यस
Fine,
यस
but you have to choose something different than this, what I've shown to you. Okay,
यस मैम यस
fine.
यस मैम
Yeah, okay. Fine. So just write it down your number into the chat and you may leave. That's all for today. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.